Good morning, children. Welcome back to English online class. Hope you all are safe and fine. Hope you are all safe and fine. In the last class, we have completed the grammar, nouns, right? Nouns. I taught you the 5 kinds of nouns and two more collective nouns and countable nouns and uncountable nouns, right? Today, in the last class, we have completed that grammar also exercise parts. Today, we are going to start with the new chapter from English textbook. The chapter name, the lesson name is the starting point. The starting point. Hope you all are having the textbooks with you. If you are having, please open the textbook and read along with me once I start reading the lesson. Okay. Now, what is this lesson? About what we are going to learn in this lesson? About a Milkha Singh. Who is he? Who is a Milkha Singh? We'll come to know now. Few days back, on 18th June, India lost his sports legend. India lost his sports legend. Milkha Singh. His name is Milkha Singh. It was tragic loss. It was tragic loss. Today, the chapter we discuss is the tribute to the great legend who was known as the Flying Sikh. He was known as a Flying Sikh. Who was known as a Flying Sikh? Milkha Singh. Milkha Singh is known as a Flying Sikh. The chapter has been titled The Starting Point. How this been titled? The starting point, it has been taken from the book. From which book they have taken? From the Race of My Life. The Race of My Life by Milkha Singh and Sonia Sanwalkar. By Milkha Singh and Sonia Sanwalkar. From this book they have taken this starting point. From which book? The Race of My Life. Now we are going to learn about what the lesson is. Milkha Singh, also known as the Flying Sikh. Just now I said he is known as a Flying Sikh. Is a former Indian track and field sprinter. What do you mean by sprinter? An athlete who races over short distance. Over short distance. He represented India in the Commonwealth Games in 1958. In 1958, he represented India in the Commonwealth Games in 1958 and the Summer Olympic Games in Summer Olympic Games in 1956 and 1960 and 1964. As a child, he used to run 10 kilometers. As when Milkha Singh was a child, he used to run 10 kilometers to school and back. So running long distance came naturally. He was running. When he was a child, he was running to school. While going also he was running, and while coming also he was running and coming to home. Okay. Running long distances came naturally to him. In his youth, he joined the army. In his youth, he has joined the army, where he was introduced to running as a sport. He was introduced to running as a sport. Having found his calling on the track, Milkha Singh went on to win several accolades for India. What do you mean by that? Several awards for India at various international events. In various international events, he has participated and he has won the award. He is best remembered for his fourth place. He is best remembered for his fourth place finish in the 400 meters final at the 1960 Olympic Games. His fourth place time of 45.73 seconds became the Indian national record. See, he has participated in Olympic game in 1960. He has run for 400 meters and he has completed his race in 45.73 seconds. 45.73 seconds became the Indian national record. He has break the national record then and was held for the almost fourth year and almost then was held for almost fourth year. This was the introduction about Milkha Singh. Okay. Now we'll start the lesson. Now we'll start reading the lesson. Three fortunate incidents that occurred in January. Fortunately, incidents that occurred in January 1953 when I was a new recruit. What do you mean by recruit? A person who has recently joined the armed force. He has recently joined the armed force. In the army, changed the course of my life. It has three fortunate incidents that occurred in January 1953. Three unfortunately incidents has been occurred in 1953 when I was a new recruit. He has recently joined to the army force. In the army, changed the course of my life. It has been changed. After he joined to the army, there was a changes. There was a changed course of my life. After the morning roll call, one Saturday there was an announcement that a 6-mile race was to be held. 6-mile race was to be held. The next day, all 500 recruits would participate in this event. The top 10 would be exempted from fatigue duty and be given a glass of milk every day during the training period. What the second para tells? After the morning roll call, what do you mean by roll call? Calling out the list of names of recruits to check who is there. As how the teachers will be taking the attendance, who all will be present, to know who are present and who are absent. In the same way, they have taken the roll call on Saturday. After he joined the armed force, after the morning, next day, they called the roll call on Saturday, one Saturday. There was an announcement that a 6-mile race was to be held. Suddenly they have announced that they should participate in 6-mile race was to be held the next day. They have announced that they should participate in 6-mile race. All 500 recruits would participate in this event. All 500. See, 500 recruits means 500 people have to participate in this event. The top 10 would be exempted. What do you mean by exempted? Excused from doing a particular duty. Excuse from doing a particular duty. What the particular duty they were doing? We will come to know. From fatigue duty. What do you mean fatigue duty? Duties such as cleaning and cooking carried out in fatigues. That is loose clothes instead of uniform. They have to do every day. They have to do their duty, cleaning, cooking, and washing everything. On for the exempted students, they have excused. They have excuse on that day. Not cleaning, not cooking, not washing. Also, they are exempted. And fatigue duty means they were having a uniform. Okay, fatigue duties such as cleaning and cooking carried out in fatigues. That is loose clothes instead of uniform. They have to wear loose, means very loose clothes, and they should. There is no need to wear uniform and be given a glass of milk every day. They were given a glass of milk every day during the training period. During the training period, they were giving the glass of milk. In that period, during that period, it was a great something special. Who won the race, they were getting the glass of milk. That is a great thing in that period. Okay. The next morning, we reported at the starting line wearing canvas shoes, vest and khaki shorts. The whistle blew and we set off. Filled with a sense of mission, I ran as fast as I could. The reward of getting a glass of milk was a big treat for me, as I had suffered great want and deprivation in my childhood. I took the lead. In the first 2 or 3 miles, I would rest a while. If I felt tired and then ran again. When I saw others chasing up, luck was with me that day, and I finished 6th in the race. What in third para? What they are telling? The next morning, we reported at the starting line wearing canvas shoes. Next day, they were ready for the race games. Okay, they were wearing canvas shoes and vests and khaki shorts. They were wearing canvas shoes and khaki shorts. The whistle blew and we set off. In the running race, have you seen the running race, children? In the Olympic Games, before they start, they used to sit in their position and they have to be ready for the race. So before they whistle, they have to set themselves free and they have to be ready for the race. The same way, that is what they are telling. The whistle blew and we set off, filled with sense of mission. What do you mean by sense of mission? A feeling that he was doing a very important task. They have to keep in their mind that they are doing a important. They are a feeling that he was doing a very important task. They should think that they are doing an important task. They are playing an important task. Okay, I ran as fast as I could. See how the Milkha Singh is telling, I ran as fast I could. I ran as fast as I could. The reward of getting a glass of milk was a big treat for me. See, during that period, getting a glass of milk was a great. They feel that they are getting a reward. They feel like they are getting a reward. The reward of getting a glass of milk was a big treat. What do you mean by big treat? Something that is pleasant and enjoyable, especially because it comes as a part of a celebration. During this period, you people enjoy by drinking juice, that is, etc., things, right? During that period, in which period, 1953, getting a glass of milk was a great thing, and as if they are getting a reward, they feel like as if they are getting a reward. Okay, big treat for me, as I had suffered, he has suffered. Who has suffered? Milkha Singh. I had suffered great want and deprivation in my childhood. Great want and deprivation. What do you mean by that? The situation of not having something due to lack of money. They were poor, and they were poor. That is what the Milkha Singh is telling. I had suffered great want and deprivation in my childhood. In his childhood, he has suffered a lot. Means lack of money. By lack of money, I took the lead. What it means? I took the lead in the first 2 or 3 miles. In the first 2-3 miles, he has took the lead. Lead means going forward. Okay. First 2 miles. I would rest a while if I felt tired. He was taking a rest when he was running in the track. If he feels tired, he was taking a rest for a while. Then ran again when I saw others chasing up. Then again, by seeing others, they were running fast now by leaving him. So by seeing him, by seeing the others chasing him, he was continuing his race. I saw others chasing up. Luck was with me. See, the luck, Milkha Singh is telling that luck was with me that day. That day he was having luck. And I finished 6th in the race. He has finished the race by getting 6th place. 6th place. The names in the next 4th stanza, 4th para. The names of the 10 recruits who qualified were announced before a large gathering of almost 300 people. Almost 300 people, friends, even strangers, wildly applauded and thumped me on my back, shouting, shabash, shabash. I was quite overwhelmed by the attention and appreciation I received that night, and this incident became the starting point of my career. Became the starting point of my career as an athlete. Now we will come to know what is there in the 4th stanza, 4th para. The names of the 10 recruits who qualified were announced before a large gathering of almost 300 people. The names of 10 recruits who has won, the 10 people. They from 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Only 10 people. First 10 people, they were taking recruits who qualified were announced. They were announced before a large gathering. Before many people gathered, they were announcing. Gather of almost 300 people. Gathering of almost 300 people. First they said 500 people participating in race. Now 300 people gathering. Friends, even strangers wildly applauded and thumped Me on my back. What do you mean by the clapping? Clapping. Somewhere appreciating on his shoulder, back. Me on my back, shouting shabash. Means appreciating him. Shabash in Hindi. A word in Hindi which means well done, well done. I was quite overwhelmed. What do you mean by that? Felt sudden strong emotions. Felt sudden strong emotions. By the attention and appreciation. He is feeling proud by getting the appreciation and attention. I received that night. On that night, he has received the appreciation and attention. And this incident from the friends and he has get the appreciation from his friends and while and strangers. From friends and strangers, he got appreciation and attention. And I received that night, and this incident became the starting point of my career as an athlete. This incident make him to start participating in this race. The participating in athlete, and this incident became the starting point of my career as an athlete. Fifth para. As part of our training, we had to run 6 miles every day. I eagerly looked forward to the end of the practice sessions when we would get the promised glass of milk. Our instructor as Havaldar Gurudev Singh. Who was the instructor? Havaldar Gurudev Singh, who had been with the army for about 15 years. Although his task was to train new recruits. He was a good runner himself. And he continued to participate in race. As part of our training, everyday training will be going on, right? We had to run 6 miles every day. They have to run 6 miles every day. I eagerly looked forward to the end of the practice session. Eagerly means very giving more interest. Eagerly looked forward to the end of the practice session when we would get the promised glass of milk. After they finished the race, they were getting the glass of milk. Our instructor, who was the instructor? Havaldar Gurudev Singh. Who had been with the army. For about 15 years. The Havaldar Gurudev Singh was who had been with the army for about 15 years. From 15 years, he was in the army. Although his task was to train new recruits. Who was training? Havaldar Gurudev Singh. Okay, was giving the training. He was a good runner himself. Havaldar Gurudev Singh was also a runner. He was a very good runner himself, and he continued to participate in race. Even he was participating in race. Who was participating? Havaldar Gurudev Singh was also participating in race along with Milkha Singh. Okay. Gurudev was a Sixth para. Gurudev was a tactron, no nonsense kind of man. What do you mean by this? Reserved, someone who does not speak much. He was always reserved. He was not speaking much with others. Nonsense. What do you mean by nonsense? Serious and direct. He was very serious, always very serious. No happy, no smiling, nothing. He was very serious and direct. He was direct. Direct means what? I'll tell you. Kind of man. He was direct person. Means speaking directly. Speaking directly. Whatever he feels, he'll tell directly. His thought exterior hid his softer, gentle side. What do you mean by this? His thought exterior hid his softer, gentler side. He appeared to be very strict and harsh. Always he was appearing very strict and harsh, although he was not really like that. Inside he is very soft, but by looking he was very strict and harsh. Somewhat not. If anyone is making jokes, he was not laughing with it. He was very strict and harsh person. Okay. Example I have given. He would run. He would run with us during training sessions. He was also participating when the training was going on. He was also running along with the Milkha Singh and other people. He was also running. Okay. Proceeding. What do you mean by this? Gently arguing them to run fast. Gently they'll be telling, run fast, run fast. You have to reach the goal, run fast. Us with a danad. What do you mean by that? A word in Hindi which means stick. Sorry, us with danda. Sorry, it's a danda where they were using the to make them to run fast. They were using the danda. Danda means a stick. Shouting, run, run, boys, run. He was the Gurudev Singh was shouting it since run fast, run fast. Run, boys, run. Run for our regiment. What do you mean by that? A unit of soldiers in the army made up of several smaller groups. They were in the army, they were making small groups, several smaller groups. I strongly believe that he was instrumental in motivating me to strive to become a world-class athlete. See how the Milkha Singh is telling. I strongly believe that he was instrumental. He was instrumental. What do you mean by instrumental? Playing an important part in getting something done or achieving something. He was an instrumental, it seems, for Milkha Singh. How the Milkha Singh is telling, playing an important part in getting something done or achieving something. To achieve. See, one example I can give for this. Teachers keep on telling you to read. Why they'll be telling you to read? Simply they'll not be telling you to read, right? They want you to read and achieve your goal, right? They want you to read and achieve some goal, right? They're making you to achieve some goal. In the same way, Gurudev Singh wants Milkha Singh to achieve his achieve something. You want Milkha Singh, Gurudev Singh want Milkha Singh to achieve something in his life. In his life, he wants him to achieve something in his life. In motivating means always motivating, helping means not helping. It's telling you can do, filling the some telling them, by telling them they feel like, yeah, even I can also do, yeah, I will do. They feel like that, right? That is what motivating me to strive to become a world-class athletic. Even today when I think of his danda, even today when I think of his danda, I blow my head in respect. See how nice. Even today, if he thinks about his danda, means whose danda? Gurudev Singh. Gurudev, Havaldar Gurudev Singh's danda. If he thinks about that, he blow his head, it seems, by respect. In respect. I blow my head in respect. See how nicely is giving respect for his, who was he? Instructor. Gurudev Singh was instructor. He is giving respect for instructor, Havaldar Gurudev Singh. Okay. Seventh para. Okay, children, we'll stop here. Today I will stop till 6th para. We'll continue the next class from 7th para. Okay, we'll finish off in the next class. Okay, children, read this lesson. What I taught you, read once, open the textbook and read, which you don't know the meanings. Please see, they have given already in the textbook, they have given some meanings, right? In the left side column, right? You can see the meanings. Read that. Try to read. It's some words will you find difficult, right? But read. If you read, keep on reading, then you will improve. Okay? Read the lesson. I will continue the remaining part of this lesson. I'll continue in the next class. Read the lesson. Okay, children. And one more important thing I want to tell you. You don't give the notes to your parents to write and give. Okay, notes you only have to write by yourself. Okay, when you're coming to school, you were only writing the classworks, right? Your parents were not writing the classworks, right? The same manner, if you are in the home also, you only have to write the classwork and homework also. Write neatly. Okay. Okay, children, thank you. Hope you have understood the lesson, this half lesson. Other half lesson I will be explaining in the next class.